Today I'm going to show you how to add.
Okay, here we got our washer fluid, and you got to find the cap that's got a picture of a windshield on it. You take your hand and you open it up, and then you got to push down on these and turn. Oh, and then there's a seal here. It might be best to have a knife or something. There we go. That was an easy one to break. Uh-oh, looks like we'll need a funnel. So you might want to have a funnel. You're going to spill a bunch if you don't. This works so bad in here, how messy it is.
You mean grab it?
How crazy it is. Alright, got my funnel. Stick it in there. Hopefully this light isn't messing the video up. And then the light's behind me too, which sucks. Maybe you should come to this side, from this way. Damn it, there's nowhere to stick anything up here. Good grief.
You may hold it?
You can't. If you will, you can try. Yeah, I guess that works. Wow, this thing is probably going to take the whole jug. You can cut it with some water and make it go a little farther, but... Wow, I guess I got a big thing. This is the first time I've ever put this in here. I've had this truck for, what, 3 years? Come over here and look. It still could take a little bit more. So, alright, that's how you put windshield washer fluid in your vehicle. Have a great day. Best of luck to you with your projects. Thanks for watching.